In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade with TradeLocker. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up TradeLocker on your PC and log into your account. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go over to the left hand side and find the place that says Auto Panel right here. You can also click O on your keyboard to get this page right here. From here, you can maximize it up here. And from here, you'll need to go up to the symbols up here. And here you can type in the specific symbol that you want to trade. So let's just click Bitcoin to USD. And then from here, it should look something like this. And here you can see there's market and pending. If we click pending, you can see there's a set price over here. This is what TradeLocker will trade for. So if you choose this 87 number right here, if Bitcoin goes up here, TradeLocker will order it automatically for you, and then the order will go through. On the other hand, market is where you set how many lots you want to purchase, and you can just click buy. From here, you can also see you'll have a trail or stop loss and a take profit over here that you can select and edit however you feel like. From here, you can see there's a risk management down here, and you can select how many lots, and you can change lots to USD if you rather do that, and click buy right here. And as you can see, position have opened, and you can see now that I have now purchased this set balance. There will be a little fee, as you can see here, but when it goes through, it will automatically go over here on positions. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!